draw a beautiful butterfly. First, draw the butterfly's head. Black. Draw its mouth. Yellow. Now, draw the butterfly's antennae. How beautiful! Now draw a long oval. This will be the butterfly's body. Draw the butterfly's wings. And now, decorate it with beautiful designs. Blue. Pink. Marvel at how gracefully it flies. Let's draw a snail. First, draw a smile. Pink. Nicely done. Draw the snail's tentacles. Pink. Now, draw the snail's body. Red. Now, draw a shell for your snail. A long swirl. Wow! How neatly your snail crawls. Let's draw a funny caterpillar. Start by drawing its head with antennae. Awesome! And now, make a happy smile. Make the caterpillar's body by drawing a few circles. Draw the first circle. And the second one. Great! Add the third. Then the fourth one. And one more. The fifth circle. How gracefully it crawls. Let's draw a big-eyed dragonfly. First, draw two big round eyes. Black. And a long body. Red. Draw two wings so it can fly. Violet. Good job! And two more wings. Just look how merrily it flies.